So for this problem, the application of geometric sequence, then from this given, so Peter bought a condominium unit for 3,700,000 pesos. Then the value of the condominium appreciates by 4% every year. So find the estimated value of the condominium after 5 years. So since the given has a given rate or percent, so therefore this one is a geometric sequence. So take note that if there is a percent or rate in the given problem, then use the geometric sequence. And formula for the geometric sequence, that's a sub n equals a sub 1 times r to the power n minus 1. So to solve for this problem, so first, we need to list all the given. So for r, so take note that r always equal to 1. Then since this one is appreciate, so therefore this one is plus. So if the given is depreciate or decrease, so that becomes minus, then plus the rate. So since the rate is 4% and convert this 4% to decimal, so divide this one by 100. So therefore this becomes 0.04. So we have R equals 1.04. Then for a sub 1, so from the given price or value, so that's 3,700,000 pesos, then times the common ratio, that's 1.04. So therefore a sub 1 equals, so we have 3,700,000 then times 1.04. So that's 3,848,000. Then for n is the number of years. So since after 5 years, so therefore n is equal to 5. Then from this, we can solve now the estimated value of the condominium after 5 years using this formula. So we have a sub 5 because n is equal to 5, then equals a sub 1. So a sub 1 is 3,848,000 then times r. So r is 1.04 then to the power n minus 1 or 5 minus 1. So from this, we can find now the estimated value after 5 years. So since this 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, so we have 1.04 to the power 4. So from 5 minus 1, so to the power 4 equals then times this 3,848,000. So therefore, the estimated value of the condominium after 5 years is 4,501,615.74. Then for this given, so a student bought a motorcycle for 87,000 pesos. Then the price of the motorcycle depreciates by 13% every year. So what is now the value after 9 years? So again, since there is a given rate or percent, so therefore this problem is a geometric sequence. So use this formula to solve for this problem. So first, we need to list all the given. So R equals, again, R always equal to 1. Since this one is depreciate or decrease, so therefore this one is minus from the given rate. So 13% convert to decimal. So divide by 100. So that's 0.13. So R equals 0.87. Then for A sub 1 from the given price, 87,000 times the common ratio, 0.87. So A sub 1 equals, so we have 87,000 in times 0.87. So that's 75,690. Then for n, that's the number of years. So n equals 9. So from this, we can find now the value of the motorcycle after 9 years. So this becomes A sub 9. So after 9 years, then we have A sub 1. A sub 1 is 75,690. Then times R is 0.87 to the power n minus 1. So that's 9 minus 1. So from this, we can find now the value of the motorcycle after 9 years. So this 9 minus 1, this is equal to 8. So we have 0.87 to the power 8 equals then times this 75,690 equals, so that's 24,842.34 pesos. So this is now the value of the motorcycle after 9 years.